The importance of online customer reviews can have influence on purchasing decisions. Approximately 93% of consumers say online reviews impact their purchasing decisions. Podium, 2020. The statistic cited from a 2020 Podium study highlights the significant role that online reviews play in shaping consumer behavior. In today's digital era, where information is readily available at our fingertips, online reviews have become a crucial aspect of the purchasing process. Here's an expanded look at how and why online reviews influence consumer buying decisions. Trust and credibility. Online reviews act as social proof, providing potential buyers with the reassurance that others have purchased a product or service and had a satisfactory experience. Positive reviews can enhance the perceived trustworthiness and credibility of a brand or product, leading to increased consumer confidence. Peer opinions. Over-advertising. Consumers often trust the opinions of other buyers more than traditional advertising. Reviews are seen as unbiased and honest feedback from people with no vested interest in selling the product, which can be more persuasive than marketing messages. Mitigation of risk. Making a purchase, especially online where products cannot be physically examined, involves a certain level of risk. Online reviews help mitigate this risk by offering insights into the quality, functionality, and reliability of the product or service from those who have already made the purchase. Influencing choice. With an overwhelming number of options available for most products or services, consumers use reviews to help narrow down their choices. A product with a high volume of positive reviews is likely to stand out among competitors and become a preferred choice. Impact on sales. The direct correlation between positive online reviews and increased sales is well documented. A study by Harvard Business School found that a one-star increase in Yelp rating can lead to a 5 to 9% increase in revenue for restaurants. This effect is replicated across various industries as consumers often choose products with higher ratings. Negative reviews and constructive feedback. Negative reviews also play a role in purchasing decisions. While they may initially deter potential buyers, they offer companies an opportunity to respond and improve their products or services. A well-handled negative review can demonstrate excellent customer service and potentially convert dissatisfied customers into loyal ones. Search engine ranking. Reviews can also affect how products and businesses rank in search engine results. Positive reviews can contribute to higher rankings on platforms like Google, making products more visible to potential buyers searching online. Trends and insights. Analyzing online reviews can provide businesses with valuable insights into consumer trends and preferences, allowing them to adapt their offerings accordingly. By monitoring reviews, companies can stay attuned to customer needs and maintain competitive edge. It's worth noting that while the Podium study indicates that 93% of consumers are influenced by online reviews, this statistic could vary based on demographics, product categories, and individual consumer behavior. Nevertheless, the overarching trend is clear. Online reviews are a powerful factor in shaping purchasing decisions in the modern marketplace.